Hi everyone, I'm Donnie Lowy. I'm glad here at Closeout I want to go through another box of the dresses. I have R&M Richard dresses, Morgan & Company, Nightway dresses from size 6 all the way to size 24. Majority of dresses are from size 8 to 18. Now I'm going to show you one box, and as you can see in the video, I have other boxes that are open, boxes that are still sealed. I have approximately in stock 200 dresses before another shipment comes in. I'm offering these dresses at a really good deal. This way I make space for the next boxes that come in. So here we have a size 14 R&M Richards two-piece dress. Next we have a really nice, relatively short gray dress, long sleeve. This dress should be a size 10. Next, we have a size 18 dress with a see-through jacket, long sleeve, with beads on the actual dress. Now, I've mentioned this in the other video that I did. I know it could be a little hard to see the dresses through the plastic, so if you would like, send me a message and I'll send you actual pictures of the dresses. Okay, we have a size, first let me show you the dress. It's a size 10 dress, color red, off-the-shoulder dress. Here's a short dress, elegant dress, size 8. This is the same style as the previous dress I showed you. It's a different color, this more violet looking. Okay, so size 14 over here. This is a casual sleeveless dress, nice summer dress. Should be size 10. Looks like this dress doesn't want to leave the video so fast. Okay. Here's a floral dress, floral summer dress. This dress is size 16W, R&M Richards dress. Next we have a dress by Morgan & Company. And it is color black, size 9-10. So that should be a junior dress, a young women's dress. Here we have a size 16W dress by Nightway, color black. Now when you place an order for me, unless you buy the entire lot, you're going to receive a variety of different brands, different styles, different colors, and different sizes. And this dress is R&M Richards, size 8. Here's a size 16W. Short sleeve dress. Okay, if you have any questions or comments, please let me know. My cell phone, which is also my WhatsApp number, is 1917-913-6093. 1917-913-6093. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to see more videos, you can see them on the channel. You can send me a message as well, and I'll be very happy to send you more videos, more pictures. My website is closeoutexplosion.com. Thank you for watching and have an amazing day. And I am looking forward to doing business with you. Keep in mind, there are many more dresses in the boxes, out of the boxes. The dresses I showed you should give you general